Hey YouTube family, Angie here with Elevation DIY, and this is our powder room, which is on our first floor level, and we decided to go ahead and get finished with renovating it. We've done our board and batten once again on the walls, and we have done wallpaper as well, and I'll put that link in this video as well of instructions that I got on the Joann Fabrics website for how to hang wallpaper. My hubby is working it out. This bathroom is kind of small and it didn't take us long to do. So what we did was paint our walls, and the color I'm going to call it is butterscotch. This is a mixture of paints that we did that we had left over, and we just mixed a couple of paints together. But if I can find a color that's close to it, I'll link it below. I'll go on and try to do a paint match for you. And the wallpaper, it also has that butterscotch color, as well as like a cream and a gold. So we thought those two would complement each other very well. Now, here's a tip. When you are putting up wallpaper, you want to make sure you take the trim down off of your doors and off of your windows. That way you're able to carry that wallpaper behind the trim, so you don't have a hard time with getting your cuts, and it doesn't leave that hard stop at the trim molding on your window or your doors. Now, we did go ahead and do wainscoting or board and batten on the bottom half of the room. My husband did all his cuts on the miter saw, and we went on ahead and created this design pattern that we thought would complement the wallpaper best. Now, he also did the crown molding in the bathroom too, because there was none there. And here's a look at that pattern again. Now, if I could pick his brains and kind of like figure out what his method was for measuring, I'll link that below too as well. Please don't mind the stickers on the window. I have had those up for a couple of years because I don't know why, but they're coming down, they're coming down, they're coming down. And I'm gonna do Roman shade on the back window, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how I do that in another video. But this is the trim. We did board and batten, wainscoting all around the bottom half of the bathroom, as I told you. Now, we did paint it white, and we were going to leave it white, but then we just made the decision to paint that butterscotch as well, and we think that it really made the whole room pop. So it was a great idea. Okay, and I did want to let you know as well, don't think that when you do things like the wainscoting or the board and batten in a small space that you're adding too much. It actually gives your room character and a pop. So we decided to go ahead and do that. Now, the ceiling we did paint also as well. It is a light shade, the lighter shade that's in the wallpaper. We didn't go with an all white ceiling. We thought that would make it a little more classy if we just carried the paint up. Now, the trim molding is the butterscotch color, but we did the ceiling in the lighter cream color, the beige color that's in the wallpaper. We did a match, and that's what we have on the ceiling in the bathroom. So See the butterscotch on the trim? It matches the wallpaper, and I think it looks really nice. And we actually also did it on our vent that's in the bathroom to carry the color over instead of having that be white. So this is the painted trim and the wallpaper. And if you like DIYs like I do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, why not subscribe? Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that we upload. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to look at our video and allowing me in your home. Here's a couple of photos of the finished work, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.